Outlook is the second most used email client in the world, and today we explore the new and improved Outlook app to manage everything right here. So, let's begin. If this is your first time, you'll see this pop up. We need to sign up, and thankfully, your Microsoft account is already added, so it won't take time. Just click continue. Follow these steps to complete the setup. Also, you'll see this guide. We'll skip it. On the main interface, ensure this new Outlook is checked so you have the freshest version. You might have this My Day tab opened. It shows your tasks due and your events. Let's close it. These are your emails. The blue heading means that it hasn't been read. On the top, you'll notice focused. Emails in focused are more for your regular stuff. This other is where you find less important emails like offers, newsletters, and gossip. On the right are folders. The top shows the inbox, sent items, and drafts from all your emails. Down the bottom, you'll find the same folders for each email. To hide this row, click this menu button. Next to this, you'll see Home, which contains those options. Click View to see some interface settings. On the left are other Microsoft apps. Except for the top two icons, all are shortcuts that open external apps or web pages. Let's send and receive emails. This new email option has everything new related. Emails, events, documents, and other things can be created here. The default is the email, so click it. Let's insert the email address to send. As you do, you'll see suggestions. Click CC and BCC if you want. Then is the email subject. Looks great. The majority of the section is email body. When you click here, all the above editing tools are enabled. We can adjust the font size, boldness, underline, color and more. This is the light background option to see emails in their originality. Then the file attachment and hyperlink options are here. You really need to explore those to craft perfect emails. Let's add the email body. I'll also attach a PDF file. You can upload files or select them from your OneDrive storage. I'll upload one from my computer. Then let's add a hyperlink. It's pretty simple. Just highlight the text, click the button and paste the link. The Outlook app does not support right click, so you must press the Ctrl+V keys to paste. Click send to send or click the neighboring arrow to schedule this email. It has a couple of set items, but click the custom option below. Awesome, it's been sent. You'll see it in the sent items. When you receive a reply, you'll see the conversation style inbox. The latest email is opened, but clicking one will open that. Then you get reply and forward, followed by this menu containing more options. Also, Outlook will suggest a few quick responses at the bottom. Click one to autofill and send the email. Well, that was about emails. Let's see how to add signatures and use them. Click Settings and click Signatures from the right. This top is to add the signature title. Down the bottom is the signature itself. Let's add some text. Looks good. Click Save. We can add another one by clicking here. This time we'll add a business signature. Down the bottom are tools to add images and links and adjust the text format. I'll highlight the business name and link it to the website by clicking this arrow and then selecting the hyperlink option. Now we have two signatures. Down the bottom, we can set the default signatures for new messages and replies. Great! Click New Email to see the signature. The Outlook calendar is integrated with email, so click this button to see it. Such empty. Let's add an event by clicking this blue button. This pop-up has all the event details. To the right, you'll see if the event conflicts with another one. Event name, attendees, meeting date and time, repeat, time zones, location and description are here. Let's send this event. All attendees will receive an email now. Here's our meeting and also on the right. On the email interface, you'll see the upcoming event, which we just created in our case. A unique Outlook feature is drawing in the emails. I don't know where it would be useful, but to draw, go to Draw and add a drawing canvas. Then we can just draw on it. Hence, highlighters and the eraser are on the top. Click the email body right after the canvas and press the backspace key to delete it. Outlook is more than that, but this video covered all the journal topics. Please share your feedback below to help me improve. Thanks for watching and take care.